Yeah, so we had issues with our middleware trying to install CORS. So when we run our application here, remember on the front end, this is post, and when the page get created, we run this function get post, and then get post sends a request to the post API, and the post API is here, and then it fetches a request from the API, and then the response, it just console log the response. The response is assigned to the post variable here, and then we console the log the response. Because we are having issue because we get this error in our console. All right, so we are going to solve that issue by installing CORS in our PHP. So we first of all do a PHP artisan. Is it create or make? I think there's a post. There's a post that I have to follow. Yeah, make. Okay. So just delete it. And now we have CORS right here. So you can see in the middle where there's a new file called CORS. So we open it and let's do some indentation. And now we're going to do some headers stuff to tell. So anytime the request is sent, it looks to our headers and it says, okay, this address is, it's okay to send request or to receive request from this address. So I'm going to copy the code from my the original project, which is here. I think it's here. No, I think there's a project I did CORS. Okay, this, I think it's this. Okay, so I have it here, right here. Yeah, so we copy this. So I think it's similar to what we have here, right? But I don't know. I just want to use one which has worked. You understand? So let's copy the code here and paste it, and let's do some indentation. So access control is now allowing the origin. So if you look at the front end here, it talks something about origin, right? URL same origin, blah blah. So now we are accepting all the origin, and this one says all the sites. It means that every site trying to access our listing, we are going to allow it to access it. You understand? But maybe in the future we'll just tell we'll just put our web address here, our host name here, and say you get access to only HTTPS, maybe www, and just put your address here, right? But here I'm just saying, hey, I'm accepting every address. All right, cool. So we save it. Oops, issue. What was the issue? Um, what was the issue? Syntax error expected. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, wait. Can't tell what the issue is. Da, 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 da. It still says issue. I don't know. What was the issue? Nest closure, blah blah. I don't know. Okay, you know what? This is what I do most of the time. I just get the whole thing and I paste it, and there's still issue. Whoa, what was the issue? I mean, someone should just let me know because I couldn't tell what the issue was. So okay, we're done with creating our middleware. So the next thing is that we register the middleware in our kernel. So I've done this already. So we go to our kernel, and I think we have to add this class to our protected middleware. We add that. So we go to our kernel here, protected middleware. We add this, and then we are done. So let's go back to the same page. Let's do a refresh again, and this time, wait, all right, let me run this. Okay, this debugger is really disturbing. Oops. Okay, right, that's good. That's just the backend running. So okay, so now we get it here. You can see it. So we can see our post is now running. So when you go to our front end, you can say, let's put an identifier here. Let's say post API, something like that. So it runs. We get a post API right here, so we can see. So it's working, right? So we can now close this, and everything is now inside our post, right? Everything is now assigned to this. So in here, we can now loop, do a v-for loop, and I don't know what are we creating. Are we creating a card? So this has to loop, right? So I think the card. So we can now say v-for, and then I'm going to use an index. I'm going to say post v-for post index in post. Oh shit. In post, we get an index, the key index, and so the key is an index. All right. So in here now, we can now represent that with post.title. Alright, and we can save it. Let's just see if everything works on the front end. Good, so now it's working. So let me close this for now, and so we have two titles, okay, how to set up blah blah and how to do it. So let's run Postman. Let me get Postman for my monitor. So we can close this for now, we don't need it. So let's get Postman. This is alright, post. No environment, not yet. But we say post. So you see we have two posts. One title is how to set up Laravel project, and the other one is how to set up a Laravel project. Oh, it's the same title. Cool. So the same title, right? So let's get all that stuff that we need. So the title, and then what else? And I think the sub content is what we need here. So we're gonna take all this out and say post dot sub content, right? And then what is this? This is the views. Am I getting the views? Okay, I'm getting the views here. So the views, right? So it's 23 here, so we're gonna change it to post.views, right? Okay, post.views. And what is this? You know what? And the time, all right? So we're gonna use what do we call it? 4 minutes ago. So we're going to use. So this is created at. So post dot created at, and okay, this also created at. So this is going to be maybe updated at. Let me use updated at. Do we have updated at? Yeah, we have updated that in Laravel, so I'm going to use updated that. Yeah, updated that here, and I'm going to use when the post was actually created here. Created that, and now the post category. So post dot category dot name, because we get a category and then the name is here, right? So I think that is it. So we save it. Oh, I think something is wrong. Views. Alright, yeah, I think this is it. Alright, so we have it. Yeah, so we are going to fix this date with what do we call it? View moment. So we're going to say view. So we're going to get it. Yeah, view moment. So we're going to say npm install view moment. So it's installing. Oh, it's taking too much time. Okay, moment is done. So let's see if it's here. Yeah, view moment is there. So we come in here and say import view from view and say view dot, we create a new moment instance, view dot use, I think is it moment or okay, I think that's it. Require moment. So now in the created that, we can just do this. What is it? We can say moment, and then we choose the date format that we wanted to format in. So we can say the month of the year, the day or the date, which is the O, and the year, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 month. So when we save this now, the date should be formatted. Alright, so that is it. No, 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 that's not what I'm looking for. Oh, okay, that's this. Alright, that's it. May 31st, 2020. Okay, so we have to do this also, but we need it to be like a seconds ago, minutes ago, that kind of thing. So we need to look for that. That is somewhere here. Okay, 4 days ago. This is it. You have to use this. Some dates from and now, right? So look at the updated that. We say moments from now, blah blah. To save it. 12 days. Oh, I think we need a goal. Okay, maybe I shouldn't add it through. Yeah, so 12 days ago, 2 months ago. All right, so that is okay. So we are done with creating our post component. All right, so we are done. So maybe in the next one, I would looking at the single component. When you click on this, you open your single component right here in our page. So we'll catch you on the next one.